Alright, welcome back. As you might be able to see from the box behind me, we are putting airbag suspension in the rear. Just supports in the coils because when we put the Canopy on, she squats a fair bit. So yeah, let's get into it. We got to pull the coils out, run all the air lines, put the new bags in, and yeah, let's get into it. One done, Flynn's still going. They are a lot harder to put in than what we thought. Just bent up the heat shrink to put over the exhaust. Pretty simple. Goes onto the exhaust like that, and yeah, got to protect the bags. Alrighty, the airbags are all in. Lines have all been run to the thing at the back. But yeah, too easy. That's all done. Now it's time to move on to fitting out the canopy.
Well, the following Thursday.
Alrighty, now that the airbags are all in and the car's sitting level again against that 12 volt. So 12 volt's just going to get mounted up here. Obviously I'll move this is just the ladder bag for the rooftop. But yeah, so 12 volt's going to get mounted here and go across. And then all the drawers are going to continue across. But yeah, 12 volts first and then we'll do the outer shell. But yeah, let's go. Alright, we just got the switchboard panel, I guess you call it, cut out. I've sort of labelled everything, can't I? You can see the switches and stuff. Yeah, everything's sort of laid out. We're still going to run the big switch panel. You never know when you need 4 switches. Still going to run the hardcore battery monitor, King solar regulator, and just a cheapie DC charger. Phew, let's go. Getting keen for this 12 volt setup. Alright, switch panel's been all labelled and marked up. As you can see, switch panel, battery monitor, fuse box, push bar, DC charger, and solar reg. Let's get into it, let's get it all mounted. Goal is to get it all in the canopy ASAP so we can start the drawer setup. Metal's all rocked up, thanks to the legends that work for organising this for me. Thank you. Voila, it's all in. Now let's start running wires and yeah. There we go, the whole 12-volt system's all done and wired and ready to go on the Canopy. And the 12-volt is in. Looks so schmick. Actually like the checker plate sort of coming through. But yeah, let's finish wiring this all up and then call it a day. Just finished the plans, like so that's your door opening, that's your floor size, and then yeah, so that's my fridge there, then that's gonna be a drawer, and that's gonna be the pantry, and then that's gonna be the, so that's your section, your outer frame and stuff. There's your backing. Just finished the plans for the drawer, but yeah, there you go, rough idea. Give them the flint to cut. There you go. Pantry drawings are all done. Muddled up that one, but don't worry about that one. But yeah, that's all fixed. And then there's your shelving. Voila, all done.
Language one.
Whoa, look at that. Pantry's all done. Well, just gotta get some elastics to go across here to stop stuff from falling out. But other than that, look at that. Just gotta put the one hand rail on and yeah. So Flynn and I have been living out the NP300 for the last 3 days. We are down at a remote spot. Not going to say where it is. You guys will have to wait and see the next video what we were up to at this remote secret spot. I'll just give you a hint. A lot of fishing and not a lot of luck, but we still had a great time. All right, Canopy recap. Great. Drawer holds everything that we need. And then all the bigger food stuff goes up top. And obviously table. And the pantry. Holds everything. We obviously overstocked because we didn't know what we were actually going to be like. And then the fridge. Only thing I'm going to change is probably change my solar panel. Wasn't picking up a lot of readings. Obviously we're at 40% or something like that. And need to redo this whole 12 volt because as Flynn and I discussed, you can't get to your fuses when it's all the way back here. But yeah, so everything's great. There you go, 50%. It's not ideal, but yeah, bigger solar panel. And yeah, end of the recap. Absolutely love it. Worth every single cent of swearing, blood, sweat, and a lot of fighting between Flynn and I. But yeah, we got there in the end. Chill. Thanks. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment below what you like us doing, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button because that helps us out a lot more. But yeah, talk to you. See you in the next video, and it will be on this remote spot. There's a little sneak peek. Chew.